This video we're going to show you how to go to the Google Play Store, and we're going to look up YouTube Studio, and then we're going to download and install that and make it very simple for you. Go to the Google Play Store. You already got to be logged in. Go to search on the bottom right in the middle. Okay, then you're going to go to the top and you're going to enter your search, and we're going to put in YouTube Studio. It's actually got it right here at the second from the bottom. We're going to press on YouTube Studio, and here you're going to see YouTube Studio. It's got all the information that you need about it and screenshots. Here we're going to press the install. Usually you want to be on Wi-Fi to save your network data, but you're good to go. So here you can press open from the studio to use it, or you can go and scroll. It's everything that you install is usually going to be, you press up, and then you can go to you usually go to this page first where all the stuff is that you've installed, and it overflows. The stuff that you install will go to the second page. Depending on how many you have, you can have up to 5 pages, I believe. Once you can press on the YouTube Studio. You can select the account that you have, and you're going to have to grant access, allow all. Okay, Inside Tech. Get started. Just follow all the stuff. Boom, you're in there. It's that simple. That simple, guys. Hope that helps you guys out. Have a great day.